Hey everybody, it's Kuroshi here. Today I'm going to show you the things I've done so far for animation on the game. It's the same project that I'm doing so far for Game 1007 course at George Brown College. But today I'm going to show you a couple interesting stuff on the game which look really amazing. Alright, so for the animation, I came to this place. At the first, from the window, I added two stuff, animation and animator. And then here I put the component animator on the player. You can put it wherever you want. The important thing is where do you want the animation. And after I put this stuff here, I the two things will be created in the console for you. One of them is animator and one of them is animation. In animation, as you can see, I got five different animations. Idle, which is the Jerry is standing in the position, backward, he's jogging back, and down, jump, and run. Alright, so inside the animator, as you can see, let me just go one step back. When you click something, it goes to the animation for Jerry. This is actually a blunt tree, and inside this blunt tree, we have another tree which connects to idle and which connects to all the animations. And when you click here, as you can see, it has two parameters, x.input and y.input, because of my game. And this game is 2D game, comparing to like sheep sheep games which are all 1D movement and animation. This game needs 2D animations. Alright, so I added these five animations here in the motion, and I put some position X and Y for them. For example, the player is running, so the X will be positive and Y will be negative. And the jump, for example, the X is 0 and Y will be positive. So as you can see here, everything looks fine. And if I want to just let me show you the script of this thing. So I added all the scripts for animation on the movement player. Okay, so here everything looks exactly the same except some changes. The first change is private animator. I used this animator and assigned this component to the animator. And here I just, in the void start, I used it because I want to use animation from the beginning of the game, not from like getting update. So I got the component animator from it. And then here, as you can see in these two lines, which are really important and crucial for us, I assigned two parameters exactly just like the blend tree, x.input and y.input. And x.input will be assigned to input vector.x, which was used for movement, and input vector.y for y directions. And the code is totally that's it. And let me just run the game and show you how everything goes, and let's see together. Alright, so the first thing I forgot to tell you guys, I added the background rolling, and it actually have a loop, infinity loop, and will make you feel better about yourself and not getting bored after a while. So as you can see, Jerry at the beginning is just standing in the position in the idle, and when I start pressing D, it goes right and running, and also he can shoot while he's running, so that's a good game. So when he wants to come back, you click A and it's juggling back. And when you click W for jumping, as you can see here, is jumping high. And when you click S to coming back to the ground, it uses his weight to come to the ground. It's just like a physics. So yeah, that's it. I hope you enjoy the video. Have a good time all.